Hi guys! So, today is our last day here in Nelson. And actually, dapat uuwi na kami kaninang umaga. Sobrang ganda ng weather. And day off din ng aking parents. So, we thought we might extend for one more day, stay for one more night. And then we could all go out, do something fun. We're also gonna drive to Mapua. I'm gonna show you around Mapua. There's so many shops there and restaurants. And ang ganda lang din ng vibe doon. So, that's what we're gonna do today. Nga pala guys, makikita nyo nung skin ko, very dry siya. Baka mapapansin nyo. Especially this part sa my brows ko. So, I use Popo. Like, grabe, holy grail ko talaga siya guys. Yung mga ganitong products guys na ganito kalalaki, I highly suggest na bilhin niyo siya sa Chemist Warehouse kasi mas mura siya. So, yun lang, our last day here in Nelson. Bago tayo bumalik ng Oamaru, we will see you later. Nandito na tayo sa Mapua. I'll show you around. Guys, alam niyo dito sa Mapua, ang dami niyong makikita ng mga locally made products. Support local guys, 'di ba? Guys, it's such a good day. Perfect time talaga to go here sa Mapua. Grabe, just look at the view. Sobrang ganda ng view. Very calm yung water. Pahinga muna tayo. Let's look for a cafe or a restaurant. Tapos, coffee lang tayo. Have some snacks. So guys, everyone's having a meal now. Mayroong may fish and chips. And then seafood chowder. Ako guys, hindi ako gutom. So magko-coffee lang ako. Hi guys! So kauuwi ko lang. Time is 8:10. Ang dami ko nang hindi na video or na-include sa vlog na to. Kasi we've been really busy. Nanood kami ng rugby All Blacks versus Italy. And yes, we won. I-wrap up ko lang dito yung video. Last night namin dito sa Nelson. Uwi na kami bukas. So, long drive tomorrow. Dire-diretso kami. Susunduin namin yung mga dogs sa kennel sa Christchurch. And then, diretso na kami from Christchurch to Oamaru. I think the next vlog that I'm going to do is a vlog in Oamaru. Magre-research muna ako kung ano ng mga pwede kong mapakita sa inyo guys. But for now, pahinga na muna tayo. And I will see you